Hey, I'm Christy with the Sensible Nutrition Program. Today I'm going to show you how to make a baked sweet potato with cinnamon. Sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients, and they're naturally fat-free and cholesterol-free. So this recipe is really easy to make. All you need is a sweet potato and some cinnamon. So my oven is preheating to 425 degrees. My sweet potato is all washed and ready to go. So I'm just going to cut my sweet potato in half lengthwise. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on both sides of the sweet potato. Then I'm going to place my sweet potato on a cookie sheet. I'm going to put it in the oven and bake for 40 to 50 minutes. And then I have baked sweet potatoes with cinnamon.